Hey, what's up guys? Captain Zach here. We're out here for an afternoon halibut session, so it's just a gorgeous day. Pretty light winds, like 5 to 10 knots, so nothing too getting a bite already. Nothing too crazy, and just nice and sunny, perfect. Where it's an incoming tide, so the low already turned, so the tide will be coming in the next few hours. So we're just bouncing some fire-eye glow jigs, just loaded up with some herring and squid, and hoping to get a big bite. A couple 100 feet deep, should be the ticket. That's gonna catch a big one. 7-ounce fire-eye glow jig, all loaded up with some herring and a nice tentacle of squid, just dangling, fluttering off the back. The current's gonna do wonders with that. Oh, stealing my fish. Fish on. Hey. Ooh.
Nice.
That looks like a Hallie. I'm seeing some head thumps.
Yeah.
You want me to reel up just to...
He should be fine. I don't think he's...
Feels fine? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me just...
I'd say similar size to the ones that we catch.
Okay. I'll leave mine down then. Sometimes they swim in schools. Let's see what we got. That didn't take long.
Yeah.
About 3 minutes. He stole the fish that was biting my line right when I kicked it all off. Let me get the gaff.
I just reeled it up a little bit. It seemed like there was just a little bit of resistance on it.
How's it feel?
Say middle of the road.
Okay.
Definitely not a ping pong battle.
Okay, you can, now you go all the way left. There you go. I'm gonna just try to work them that way if possible. Yeah. Oh, and you know what? That current's probably pulling him towards under the boat. Remember?
That's what it is. I don't think.
Okay. If it's just like medium, I'll grab him with the jig, or I'll just.
I guess 15 pounds.
We'll probably bring it back in there now. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Good job.
Not a bad one.
We'll take it.
Picture.
Yeah, for sure. How about that? Nice little chicken. 7-ounce fire-eye glow jig. Just crushed it. On again. Fish on. Beauty. How's it feel?
I'd say same size as the last one.
Oh, no.
I gave him the slightest bit of.
Oh, the touch of slack. Just like it was just the.
Like it was literally the rod went straight just like that for a second.
Yeah. Oh, we got some dead weight coming up. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's an octopus. That is such terrific halibut bait. Just hoping it's an octopus and not a crab. We'll see. Could also be a huge king crab or something just hanging on. See what we got. Should be here soon. Nice and easy. Slow and steady. Oh no, the current's taking out. Here, let's switch up.
Crab.
Oh, it's a crab. Oh, it's a tanner crab.
Let me take a picture.
That's cool. I'm gonna say it was a rock.
What's up?
I said I'll say it was a rock. I don't believe it though. Might be a rock fish, might be something little. Fish on.
Yeah. Nicely done.
It's not a big fish. It's a fish. This is really not a big fish. Maybe it's a cod or something. I don't know. Finally, I missed that fish like 3 times in a row. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a tiger rockfish. That's cool. Neat.
Cool.
You don't see too many of those. Cool looking fish. Now I'm getting the deep water release. He's got to go back. Okay, so we'll hook this through his bottom lip, and then we'll send it down with absolutely no extra pressure, so that weight will just send him right to the bottom. When it hits the bottom, we'll give it a big yank. That'll pop right out of his mouth and he'll be well on his way. Just hit the bottom. And there we go. I felt it release on the first yank. Now I'm just pulling up that deep water release and the fish is on the bottom. Heard it come up. An orca just came up right over here, less than 100 yards away. Never know what you'll see out here. There it is. See him? We got a little fish on. Is that a halibut? Hard to say.
I don't think. It's not a rockfish.
Let's see what we got. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I got a bite.
I think yours was nothing crazy.
Something was biting mine.
Rockfish.
Oh, we might be getting a rockfish attack. What kind?
Tiger.
Oh my gosh, cool.
Second hand lead. Have a look.
Oh yeah. Keep it tight, keep it tight. Make sure the drag set. Yeah, good. How's it feel?
Bigger.
Okay. Nice and easy. Got a fish on. Oh, no. Coming up a bit more.
Maybe he's not.
Oh. I'm just gonna reel up a little bit. You seem to be on. He's running. Now it's coming way up, huh?
Not bad.
Barely. Yeah. Nice fish. Chicken. Take that any day of the week.
Nice.
Oh.
For that long too.
Oh. That was a debacle over here.
It was.
We had a fish on for a little while,
I better bring it up.
then a fish off. That was a Hallie, right?
I honestly couldn't tell you. I think so.
Probably.
I felt a couple thumps.
Yeah. It's okay, I'll catch them for you.
And
Maybe. Something down there. Might have got a little too rambunctious there.
this one.
Nope. I'm just doing some aggressive yanking. Jigging. Sometimes I mix it up. Go for the big swoops. They'll come up and grab it.
Nice. Ups.
Yep. Up and on the fall. They'll grab it on the fall. Swing it way up, and then as it falls, we'll grab it so it just never hits the bottom. You just lose the weight. That's always fun. Until you get down. Are you on the bottom?
Almost.
Like to keep at least one bait fishing.
Alright,
You fishing?
I'm down.
Okay. If your rod doubles over, are you gonna yank this time?
Yes. Water bottom.
There was the barest suggestion of a nibble. It wasn't a ferocious strike, but could have been a nibble. Fish. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Got that drag down just a touch.
How'd it feel?
Felt better at first, and now it's kind of so-so. Chicken, but it's a decent chicken.
Nice. Maybe another keeper.
Yep. I think he'll do. That just felt like a solid hook set. Some extra weight there. Just lay into him. Sort of let him have it. Okay, and then the gaff is right there. Okay, there you go. Oh, actually, you know what? Oh, push action.
Good call.
Okay. Walk on.
It's up to you if you want to keep him or not. Put it right on that border.
Not a bad little chicken.